Today I am going to use tags and show you how you can use to make more sales on Redbubble. Hey guys, what's up? This is me Wish and welcome to my YouTube channel. Many people are asking and always want to know about tags. People are always confused how many tags we need, from where we could find the right tags. Tags are very important as they define whether you get sales or not. So before starting, I am Wish and I'm making print on demand content. I have been in Redbubble for more than a year and I have made over $12,000 from Redbubble. So guys, hit that subscribe button as it is really appreciated by me personally. Moreover, I got 11 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who is watching my video and who subscribed. First tool I am going to describe is the merge titans, and here you can type the relevant word regarding to your topic. Now when you let your keyword type here you got the relevant keywords which are very useful. Here are the important notice. Here is that you have to select the tags which are not copyright, so be careful. The most effective number of tags is 15 as according to Redbubble policy and tags guidance. And I am personally guiding you, and from my personal experience is that 15 tags are the best to get you more sales rather than spamming in tag section. Here anything you want, like I type here something like engineer. Here you can see all the relevant tags which the customer are also using to find their favorite product. You can also choose tags from here as well. Moreover, when you click on any design, here you can also see the tags. These are all the tags, but I would not recommend to copy all the tags from here as it's a cheating and we don't want to do the tag spamming. You can just select some keywords from here and combine with other tags which I told you from other methods. You can also get more sale by using right tags and putting sticker packs as your front image. I have put a new video up there, so check it out. Always choose tags which are relevant to your design, as these tags allow your design to be searched on Redbubble. These tags are very important and get you more sales. I always use the perfect tags, which is the number is 15, and these help me a lot in getting more sales, earning a more amount of money. So this is it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. In the end, keep supporting and cheers.